right, let's get this going. There it is. Alright, here, let's get this. Get everybody tagged. Gary Fanning is in it. Embers. Bowman. How's everybody doing? Hey, Daryl, how's it going? Just tagging everybody quick. I'm due for an Otani in this. I haven't pulled one yet. I think this is the one series from 2018 that I haven't gotten him. So maybe it'll be today. That'll be fun. James, Leary, Travis. Yeah, it's beautiful out. I'm going to go mow the lawn when I've done this. Get some exercise. Ken. Dow. Who we got? Mike is already in there, I think. No, he's not. Is he? No, I already got him. Brett. And we've got Gabriel. Steve. Jose is in it. Down. I think that's it. There you go. Everybody's tagged to it. Okay, so Diamondbacks is Darryl. Braves is Gary Fanning. Orioles is Brad McDermott. Red Sox Alexander Michael. Cubs is Troy Rold. White Sox Tim Radcliffe. Reds Chris Lee. Indians Brandon Bebout. I'm probably pronouncing that Bebo. I'm not sure. Rockies Corey Carell. Tigers James Leary. Astros Travis Wyndham. Royals Mike Keff. Angels Darryl. Dodgers Ken McDowell. Corey Carell has the Marlins. Brewers Mike Keff. Twins Steve Hanna. Gary Fanning has the Mets. Gabe has the Yankees. A's is Mike Keff. Phillies Brett Ross. Steve Hanna's got the Pirates. Padres is Ken McDowell. Jose Rivera has the Giants. The Mariners go to James Leary. Ken McDowell has the Cardinals and Rays and the Blue Jays. Leary's got the Rangers, and the Nationals go to Scott Anders. And that's how the teams break down for this one. Let's get this thing open. I'm going to put the next half up. I might even just do it instantly right after. Maybe we can get it filled and break it yet tonight. If not, it'll be probably ready for tomorrow. Alright, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to do the left 3. I'm going to do this 3, just to split it up a little bit. And that'll be our half. So there's 6 of them. There we go. 6 boxes, 2018 Bowman Chrome. Let's see here. Let me get I got new gloves. James Messier sent them down to me. Where he works has them. I haven't been able to get them, so I finally got some. They're black. They fit good. Alright. Top loaders. And sleeves, and then we'll get ripping. And we will get Bowman Chrome done this afternoon. Definitive is close. down to 2 fillers. I think like 16 or 17 filler spots left. And I'll be able to do a box of definitive yet today too. That stuff's been pulling some really nice stuff. And I saved a whole sealed case of it too, so I got 2 more boxes after that to get through. Alright, here we go. Gotcha, Travis, I hear you. I always do a recap at the end. Alright, here we are. Everything's set, and let's get ripping. Bowman Chrome. This stuff has some nice hits in it. Some good autos. Acuna and Ohtani. Be sweet to get today. There's that. There's that. And we'll go through and get. There's box 1. Mini box 1. And mini box 2. First box is open. All cards ship. So whatever gets pulled, you'll get. Let me get this situated here, that thumb and that. Here we go. First pack. We've got, starting us off, we got a Nicky Lopez, Alec Hansen. There is Sheldon Neuse of the A's right off the bat. So Oakland's on the board. That's Mike Keff. A's autograph. Sheldon Neuse. Not numbered, base auto. And Freddie Freeman and Justin Bour follow him. We have, we got an orange in this one. Jay Groom, Kyle Funkhauser, and then we have Josh Harrison orange for the Pirates. That is Steve Hanna. I'll just leave the numbered cards for now, just to speed it up a little bit. That one is numbered 16 out of 25. That's Steve Hanna, Pirates, orange parallel, numbered. And there's Herrera, Yadier Molina. Alright, we got Jeter Downs, Gratterall. There's a Urias insert, Peaks of Potential for the Padres. Then we have Cooper rookie card and Nick Williams rookie card. And we've got Logan Shore, Ortiz. Here is a Bowman Sterling, followed by a Castro and Nola. That one is Mackenzie Gore of the Padres. I'll put that on the insert pile for now. We've got Brent Rooker, Austin Riley. We've got Arizona League, Thomas Nido of the Mets, followed by Ichiro and Hosmer. I think I could still get this product. I'll have to ask when I go the next time. There's Duplantier, Adames. There's Gleyber Torres. The Yankees have some good ones in this. He's one of them. Madrigal's the other one. I think there's some Los Sigas in it. And I forget the other guy. There's a couple of them. There's Yelich and Ramirez. Just pulled an awesome Yelich hit the other night in definitive. One of his autographed patch booklets. Numbered to 5. That was a sweet card. Jorge Guzman, Charcer Burks. There's the autograph. Luis Garcia, first Bowman. Going to the Nats. That is Scott Anders. So we got an A's and a Nats auto so far. And that's not numbered, that's a base. And what do we got here? Stanton and Rhys Hoskins rookie card. Now we're looking for color, unless we have a case hit. Austin Allen, Luis Garcia. There is a numbered card for the Pirates. Pujols and Rizzo right behind them. That is a refractor, 460 out of 499 of Lolo Sanchez, Pirates. So Pirates have 2 numbered cards now. Let's see something. And just making sure I can see the comments. We got Monte Harrison, Espinosa. There's a Christian Patchy, peaks of potential for the Braves. Fulmer and then Sanchez. We got a purple in this one. Zach Collins, Santillan, and then we have purple flash Justin Williams for Tampa Bay, followed by Archer and then Gleyber Torres rookie card. And that one's number Justin Williams, 478 out of 655, purple flash. Tampa Bay gets one. Alright, we got Brennan Little, Christian Robinson. We've got Justice Sheffield of the Yankees, Arizona League. Bryce Harper. He's a Nat in this one. Mookie Betts. And our last pack in the first box is Armenteros, Nate Pearson. We got Franklin Perez of the Detroit Tigers. Peaks of potential. We've got Jake Lamb. And then a Victor Robles rookie card. Cool. That's box 1. There we go. That box number 2. There's the first pack. There's the second. Empty. Alright. Box 2. Let's get something crazy here. Good luck. We have redemption. There's Nick Allen. A's, Michael Chavis. And we have a Bowman Chrome Prospect, autographed blue refractor of Micker Adolfo. That would be the White Sox, I believe, right? Pretty sure that's the White Sox. Blue refractor autograph. Micker Adolfo. There's the back, not scratched or anything. Yeah, I was doing a lot of research to see what cards were doing what on eBay before posting this. I remember seeing him under the White Sox. Oh, it 8/31/20. So we got time. I think my dates are all messed up. yeah, we're in 5 of 20. We got 3 months yet. So good to go there. And I think that's Tim Radcliffe. There's Cabrera and DeJong. Sandiaz, Dalbec of the Red Sox. We got a green Lindor of the Indians, followed by Tyler O'Neill, rookie, and Dominic Smith, rookie. So the Indians grab one here. That would be Brandon. Francisco Lindor, that's number 26 out of 99 on the back. And we go. Bill Nelson, Carter Keyboom, Mitchell White. Keyboom's autograph's going decent. So's Hunter Green. I was surprised. I thought he fizzled out, but no. His autos are going for like $90. Mitchell White, Gohara, and there's Zach Granite rookie cards. And Wade Adams. Here's Devers, Red Sox Bowman Sterling rookie card. That's cool. Bryant, Gordon. Another one that's doing well is Nico. The Cubs. His autos are going pretty decently. Hudson, Pavin Smith. There's Acuna. Arizona League. That's cool. Frazier, Posey. Dylan Cease, Taylor Trammell. There's Jesus Sanchez, Peaks Apparel for the Rays. There's Tulowitzki and Perez. McKenzie, De Los Santos. There he is. Nicky Lopez of the Royals autograph. Lindor and Giolito behind him. This is a base auto. Kansas City, that's going to Mike Keff. I think he's got the Oakland team too, and he's got 2 autos. KC and let's call it. I was thinking about 6, but let's do it a little earlier since we're doing this earlier. Let's call it 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll post the second one. That'll give me a little bit of time to work on getting definitive filled. Marsh, Houck. There's a Orioles refractor. There's Machado. There's Ohtani's rookie card. I'll sleeve that. This one is Cody Sedlock. 350 out of 499 for the O's. That would be Brad McDermott. And then Ohtani rookie card. I'll just sleeve it because it's Ohtani rookie card. And that would be Darryl. We have Birdie, Tate. There's Urias again, Peaks of Pearl. Harrison Bader and Austin Hayes rookies. Mayton, Kendall. Daz Cameron, Tigers, Purple Flash, 290 out of 655. Devers and McMahon, rookie cards. So the Tigers grab one. That would be James Leary. And we've got Bowman, Alzolay, Arizona League for the Cubs. Yu Darvish and we got Ender. Chance Adams, Matt Manning, Gleyber Torres, Peaks of Pearl, Verlander, and Judge. And that wraps up the second box. Cool. Plenty of time. At least 8 more autographs. Empty. Second lead box is empty. Okay, third box. Good luck. Varys, Perez. There's Austin Allen right off the bat. San Diego. Alex Verdugo, Clayton Kershaw behind him. That's the Padres. He's going to be Ken McDowell getting that one. Austin Allen. Sandy base auto. There's a green in this one. There's Daniels, Pint, Inciarte, Chris Torres, green for Miami. Chapman's right behind him for the A's. This one's number 26 out of 99. Chris Torres of the Marlins. And that's going to Corey Carell. Lodo Sanchez, Torres. There's Mitchell White again. Peaks of Pearl. Harrison and... or Peaks of Potential, I'm sorry. Max Scherzer. Gavin Sheets, Garrett Hampson. We have a purple Franklin Perez. Purple Flash for Detroit. There's Acuna's rookie card. I'll sleeve that as well. 4 out of 655. Detroit. Purple Flash card of Perez. And then there's Acuna's rookie. Sleeve that up too. We have Kyle Lewis, Eduardo Diaz, Matt Beattie from LA, Arizona League, Calhoun rookie card, Alcantara rookie card. We're getting close to the second box. Bieber, Varsho, Sanchez for Tampa Bay, Andujar's rookie, and Cisco. I know in the second box. Sedlock. There's Russell Wilson. Quarterback Seattle. Yep. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Wow. And that's a refractor. Is that Travis? Travis is going to die when he sees that. Like he said, he doesn't have one of these. This one's numbered 92 out of 499. It's the refractor. Yordan Alvarez. Wow, big hit. Wow, wow, wow. There you go. Out of nowhere, boom. Refractor auto, number to 499. 92 out of 499, Yordan Alvarez. I know he's going to be happy about that one. I don't think he's watching right now. Cool. And he's a big Astros fan. That is cool. Following that, we got Andrew Stevenson and Cody Bellinger. Wow. That is a big card. He should have no problem covering his spot. Bichette, Hiora. There's a purple Charlie Blackmon from Colorado. Cespedes and Josh Bell behind him. This one's numbered 85 out of 250 for the Rockies. Purple. Wow. Yeah, I'll have to send him a picture of it. Mickey Moniak, Lambert, Brandon Marsh from the Angels. There he is, Kiermaier and Jordan Hicks rookie. Nolan Jones, Solios. Here is a Luis Robert, Bowman Sterling. That's not numbered, just an insert. Soroka rookie card, Lorenzo Cain, and we're down to 2 packs left in the third box, which is a giant box with that card. We got Noose, Urias, Corey Ray from Milwaukee, Arizona League, Benintendi and Trout. And then our last pack is going to get us. Yeah, that's getting my hopes up. I'm like, huh. You got one so far. There's Bo Barrows, Shane Baz. There's a Yordan Alvarez, Peaks of Potential. Tyler Mahle and J.P. Crawford rookies. I'll just throw him in a sleeve. Big name. Alright, we're halfway done. We got one huge hit. We have the second half of this case too, so who knows what we're going to get between all these boxes. And I'm pretty sure I can get more of this. If not, I know I can get 18 Bowman Draft. I know I can get 19 Bowman Draft too. Looks like the biggest deadlift in the world ever in history happened today. If you guys want to watch it. The guy, the Mountain from Game of Thrones, Hafthor Bjornsson, just beat the record that Eddie Hall set. Like 1,102 pounds or something like that. It's on YouTube. Pretty wild stuff. I was watching it earlier. Alright. There's Dalbeck, Benson. There's Lolo Sanchez of the Pirates. Hamilton and Osuna behind him. So the Pirates are getting some stuff. Yeah, 1,100. Think about that. I'm trying to get 500 in my life. I'm close. I'm up to like 455 was the last one I did. And I'm thinking 1,100, and I'm like, forget that. But when I get 500, I'm putting it on Facebook, so everybody will see it. It'll be fun. There's Bo Bichette. Refractor, Nelson Cruz, Dozier. That's 23 out of 499. Bo Bichette, Blue Jays. Ken McDowell gets that one. And the Pirates was Steve Hanna right before that. Alright, we have Riley Adams, Dakota Hudson, Sheldon Noose, Peaks of Potential. Seager and Cabrera. Pavin Smith, Dylan Cease. We have a purple, Chris Torres, another Chris Torres. DeYoung and Tyler O'Neill. This one's numbered 539 out of 655. Purple Flash for the Marlins. That's Corey Carell again. Another Chris Torres hit. We've got Tramel McKenzie. There's Zook, Arizona League for the Blue Jays. There's Dominic Smith and Gohara rookie cards. De Los Santos, Marsh. There's Tatis Jr., Peaks of Potential. We've got Zach Granite and Chris Bryant. I believe we're into the second box now. So the auto should be coming soon. There's a green one. There's Acuna, Espinosa. There he is, Lamont Wade, green for the Twins. 49 out of 99. Lamont Wade auto. Minnesota went to Hanna in a filler. I think it was the last pick of the filler, too. It kind of just fell to him. So he's getting some hits between Minnesota and Pittsburgh. Rizzo and Fulmer. Another green. That's Santon. Little. There's Alcantara for the Marlins. Oh, back-to-back green. Alright, there's one. That's his rookie card. And then we got Nicky Lopez right behind it, green. And then we got Gary Sanchez. So, Alcantara, hold on a second. That's his rookie card, and it's numbered green. It is 11 out of 99. So that's Corey Carell. And then we have the Royals, 55 out of 99. Nicky Lopez. And that would be Mike Keff. That was weird. Back-to-back green. We got Robinson. Armenteros. There's Jordan Hicks. Peaks of Potential. Archer. And then there's Gleyber Torres, rookie. That's a couple of Gleyber Torres rookies we have now. I think we have one Andujar as well. Pearson, Mountcastle. Who's this? Mike Trout, Bowman Sterling. That's a regular insert. Harper and Betts. Almost through the fourth box. Seabold, Nick Allen. Esteban Florial, Arizona League. Lamb, and there's a Victor Robles rookie card. I think that's our second one of him. And our last pack of box 4 is Chavis, Isaiah Diaz, Mackenzie Gore peak potential, Francisco Mejia, and Ahmed Rosario rookie cards. Cool. Down to the final 2 boxes. We got time yet. 4 more autos coming. Empty. Good stuff. I like Bowman Chrome. I don't know. This year was a pretty good year in Bowman Chrome. 18 was. I'll have to see. If he has more, I'll get it. I'll be up on Tuesday grabbing more stuff, so. I know he's out of 19 Bowman Chrome. He just ran out. But I think he still has 18. And if not, then I'm going to go with draft. So keep looking for it. I'll keep it coming. Abreu, Meadows. There's Albertos from the Cubs. Arenado and Votto right behind him. Jose Albertos. Chicago Cubs. Yeah, I would love to see it. That'd be cool. Either that or Ohtani. I haven't seen either one of them yet. I think I pulled an Acuna back in the day when this first came out. I'm pretty sure I did. I know I got his autograph. It was out of Bowman High Tech. It was like one of those redemption. Oh, it was atomic blue. It was some weird color blue that we pulled out of there. That was crazy. And it was in like a 2-box break mixer. There's Tucker, Stefan. There's Judge as a refractor. What is it? Yeah, that's numbered and that's numbered. Goldschmidt. So we have a Judge numbered refractor for the Yankees. That one's numbered 458 out of 499. And then right behind that we had Alec Hansen from the White Sox, 247 out of 499. So back to back again, numbered cards. How about like a red one? That would be unreal. Pinder, Romero. There's Bo Bichette. There's Ozzie Albies, rookie card. Jack Flaherty. That's cool. Oop. There's an orange. All right, we got Weagle, Daz Cameron, Willie Adames, orange flash. 25 out of 25 for the Tampa Bay Rays. There you go. Rays getting one there. Who's got Tampa Bay? There you go, Ken. You got yourself an orange. Clint Frazier rookie. JD Martinez. Evan Steele. Gregory Soto. We have Tanner Scott, Arizona League from the Orioles. Correa and Buxton. This one's a thicker one. That's probably the case hit. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. It's numbered to 99. And on top we have... Oh, and we got a redemption in it too. Wow. Jimenez. Peaks of Potential. And then we have... Bowman. Autograph Refractor Parallel of Luis Urias. And you've got until 8/31/20. So San Diego picked up a nice one. There you go, Ken. Nice. Luis Urias. Refractor autograph. There's the back of it, not scratched or anything. And I'll send you, if you guys want, if you get any kind like this, I have no problem scratching it, sending you a picture of it, and then I'll mail it anyway just so you have it. That way you can get a jump on it. Just let me know, PM me. And then the case, I guess it looks like we've got a Matt Festa Seattle Mariners game used memorabilia card. Well, there you go. And that one's numbered. It's from the Arizona Fall League Fall Stars relic card. 85 out of 99 up at the top right there. So the Mariners get one. And that's James Leary. And that's a bigger card. Give me a thicker top loader sleeve. There we go. Urias isn't a decent auto. That's cool. That's a thicker card. That's a 220 easy. Yeah, dead on. There you go. Seattle Mariners on the board. Another redemption coming. Holy cow. I think we got an extra one. Kendall. What am I doing? Brannon. Oh, sweet. We have Chrome Rookie Autograph Green of Gleyber Torres. There you go. That is Gabe. There you go, Gabe. You got a Gleyber Torres Green. Redemption. Good till 8 of 20. Nothing on the back. Sweet. I think we got an extra one. Gleyber Torres, Luis Urias. Boom, boom. Just like that. That's a nice one. Torres is good. Harrison Bader, Austin Hayes. On top of all that, we picked up a ridiculous Astros hit. Chance Adams, Manning. We have a blue J.D. Martinez. Devers rookie, McMahon rookie. This one's numbered 78 out of 150. J.D. Martinez from the Red Sox. And wow, we're just keeping on moving here. Sanchez at the Phillies, Albertos, Cubs. There's Hunter Green, peaks of potential. That'd be another decent one. His are up there. Price wise, I was digging through them and I'm like, And I'm talking ones. I only look at the ones that are sold. I don't look at what's posted. And some of his are up in the $300 range. Senzel, Peralta, and they were sold in this past month. Franklin Perez, Bowman Sterling. So that'd be another decent one to pull. Verlander and Judge. And then we've got Mundell, Williams, Sheldon Noose again, Arizona League. Hunter Renfroe and Beltre from the Rangers. And our last pack of the fifth box. Fifth box is sweet. Luis Medina. What is that? Galorme. Sixto Sanchez. Phillies. Peaks of potential. There's another Ohtani. That must be the SP. And Lucchesi. There you go. Different version. Yeah, not numbered, but that's definitely an SP. I'll have to top load that bad boy. There you go. All right. Down to the final box. What are we going to get? I've already had a pretty good break so far. We can't improve yet. Two more. Is it 242? Yeah. There's the first mini box. And did I rip that? Nah, maybe not. There it is. Still getting used to the feel of these newer gloves. Okay. Last box. We got Lolo Sanchez, Chris Torres, Yankees, Trevor Stefan autograph, followed by Willie Calhoun and Alcantara rookie cards. So Yankees get another one. Trevor Stefan, base auto. On top of the Glaber Torres green auto redemption. There we go. We've got Darren Sheets, Garrett Hampson, Sixto Sanchez of the Phillies numbered refractor. Andujar, Chance Cisco rookie cards behind him. 260 out of 499 on that one. Phillies, that's going to be Brett Ross. And Gabe got the Yankees hit right before it. We have Kyle Lewis, Eduardo Diaz, Sheldon Noose, Peaks Apparel, Freddie Freeman, Justin Bohr, Shane Bieber, Dalton Varsho. We got Purple Flash, Chance Adams of the Yankees. There you go. Yankees are starting to pick them up. Herrera, Phillies, Yadier Molina, Cardinals right behind him. 579 out of 655, Purple Flash. The Yankees are definitely stacked in this. There is a lot of Yankee potential. Looking through it. I just sleeved as I'm talking. Oh well. Sorry. They're all going to get sleeved anyway. Alright, we got Nicky Lopez, Alec Hansen. Is it Zook from the Blue Jays, Arizona League. Garrett Cooper, Nick Williams, all rookie cards. And I'll recap it then at the end so you can kind of see what we pulled. We got some good ones in this. Jay Groom, Kyle Funkhauser, Tatis Jr., Peaks of Potential. There's Castro and Nola. Oh, we got gold. There's Mickey Moniak, Peter Lambert, Carter Keyboom Gold Auto. Wow. You were going to give them up too, Scott. 4 out of 50. That's a nice one. Beautiful. Carter Keyboom Gold. This has been a good half case. Wow. Sweet hit there. Scott Anders, you paid for your spot. Awesome. Then we got Benintendi and Trout. Wow, that was a sweet hit. And then we got Nolan Jones. Solius. There's Nick Williams, blue rookie card for the Phillies. And we got a gold right behind it. There's Tyler Mahle. Nick Williams, blue. Nicky Lopez, gold. So Nicky Lopez, number to 50. Nick Williams here, rookie card blue for the Phillies, is numbered 79 out of 150. Phillies card, that went to Brett Ross. And then Nicky Lopez is Mike Keff, gold, 14 out of 50. Sweet. Down to 4 packs left. Man, I can't believe we just got that Carter Keeper on top of it. Noose, Urias, there's Jordan Hicks. J.P. Crawford and Alex Verdugo rookies. I'm surprised at Verdugo. He's not selling that well. I would have thought he'd be a little bit higher than what he is. But he's like a $20 auto. Bo Burrows, Shane Baz. Here's a little Aaron Judge, Bowman Sterling insert. Clayton Kershaw, Matt Chapman. We're down to 2 packs left. We have Tavares, Perez, Estevan Florial, Arizona League, Harrison and Scherzer, and our final pack is going to net us DJ Daniels, Riley Pint, Mackenzie Gore, Peaks of Potential. There's an Acuna rookie, and Tim Beckham. And then we got a rookie card of his at least to wrap us up. And I will recap it now for you. Sweet break. All right, we got Carter Keyboom Gold, number to 50 for the Nats. We got, I top-loaded, but Chance Adam, Purple Flash, number to 655 for the Yankees. And Trevor Stefan, Yankees, base auto. Otani SP, rookie card. We got a Glaber Torres, autographed green refractor parallel for the Yankees. Redemption. We have Matt Festa of the Mariners game used memorabilia. That one's numbered to 99 up at the top. Seattle. Luis Urias autographed refractor parallel for the Padres. We got Jose Albertos of the Cubs base auto. We have Lamont Wade, 49 out of 99 green for the Twins. Lolo Sanchez autograph for the Pirates. Look at this thing. Jordan Alvarez, Astros, refractor, number to 499. Travis Wyndham's going to die when he sees that. That's crazy. And Austin Allen from San Diego, base auto. Nicky Lopez, base auto for the Royals. He got several different versions. Blue refractor autograph redemption. Micker Adolfo. That is the White Sox. And Luis Garcia, Nats. First Bowman. And Sheldon Neuse, A's. Crazy. And then we have a bunch of numbered cards as well. You know they're numbered, so I'll just tell you the team and what they are. And we got some decent rookie cards in here. We got Acuna, rookie. Nicky Lopez, gold for the Royals. We've got a blue Nick Williams for the Phillies rookie card. Sixto Sanchez for the Phillies refractor. JD Martinez, blue for the Red Sox. Willie Adames, orange flash for the Rays. Alec Hansen, refractor for the White Sox. Aaron Judge, refractor for the Yankees. Nicky Lopez, green for the Royals. Sandy Alcantara, green for the Marlins. Chris Torres, purple flash for the Marlins. Bo Bichette, refractor for the Blue Jays. I just threw out Jordan Alvarez, peaks of potential in there. Charlie Blackmon, purple for the Rockies. Acuna, rookie card again. Franklin Perez, purple flash for the Tigers. Green Chris Torres for the Marlins. Purple flash Daz Cameron for the Tigers. Ohtani rookie, that's his normal one. Cody Sedlock, Orioles. That's a refractor. Francisco Lindor, green for the Indians. Justin Williams, purple flash for the Rays. Lolo Sanchez, refractor for the Pirates. And orange Josh Harrison for the Pirates. Not a bad 6-box break. That was pretty cool. We still have the other half. I'll start the other half at, we'll say, 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And, yeah, see if we can fill that tonight. I'll break it. I don't care. And we're very close on a box of definitive. There's 2 fillers that need some help yet. If anybody wants to jump in there, we can break that this afternoon as well. All right. Have a great day. It's a beautiful day out. I will see you, and I'm around if you want to message me. Thank you again. Have a good night, a good day.